project, and I'm gonna first give you a quick demonstration of what it is. So yeah, this is it. Hi guys. So yeah, you can just simply write anything on air like this. Just keep your hands in this position, then keep your middle finger down. Then you can just write anything on air like this. H. Connect this one. Yeah, then I. Right, like that, and then you can just press this button to predict, or you can just press simply S, like as shown over here. Yeah, so predict, and then yeah, it will show you hi. You can save this text file by pressing Ctrl S. Yeah, the text has been saved, and if you can even save this image by Ctrl E, the image has been saved, like over here. Yeah, so yeah, hi, and then that text, right? Alright, and let me just show you another thing is run it real quick. Yeah, it's taking time a little bit, just wait. Yeah, hi. So you can just write anything like this, and if you want to clear the screen, then just simply do this. Show your palm, open up all the 5 fingers, and then it's fine. They will just clear the screen. Then again, just write something, and then it will clear the screen. That's it. That was the basic demonstration. That's it, folks. So